Come test drive the 2017 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, exterior entry lights, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, front stabilizer bar, battery saver, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.